Hi YouTubers, Dylan here, and I'm here with this new drawing tutorial. So grab your pencil and piece of paper, like this video, and subscribe for more, as today we will be learning how to draw Timon from Disney's The Lion King. So sit back, relax, breathe, and let's draw. We're going to start out with what is a sideways oval for the bottom of his face. This will just be the guide. And then sort of a circle on top. It's going to create an upside down light bulb shape. And make sure you always draw loose and light at first, because we are not going to use all these lines later on. And then we're going to put in the guidelines, one to know where his eyes will be, one to know where the middle of his face will be, and maybe we can put another line here to know where his nose is going to be. Okay, so we've broken down those shapes. Now let's start with drawing the nose. Usually most of the time we start with the eyes, but for this drawing we might want to do the nose because it's really big, and the nose is simply a kind of a almost like a pebble or a watermelon sideways oval. And then put a little bit of a white spot in the middle to create a highlight on his nose. Then take the side of your pencil and shade in everything else. Use your pencil like a paintbrush. Alright, so that's his nose. And then at the top, we're going to draw these two curves for the bridge of his nose. Okay, next we need to, now we'll draw his eyes. And this is the outer area of his eyes. They're kind of like rims. And they're basically these really soft triangle shapes. And maybe we should define the lower side as well. And make sure you leave a little bit of space at the top because we're going to put like eyebrows on them. But now we need to draw the actual eyes themselves. And the eyes are almost like kind of pear shapes. Just like this. And then we're going to draw the eyelids. And then you're going to put circles at the bottom for the pupils of his eyes. I'm going to make the eyelids look a little shadow-like, so I'll just color these in. Then put a little tiny circle inside these pupils. Those are the highlights. And darken everything else. Get his cheek right there. Get that side. And now we'll draw his eyebrows, and they're simply these shapes that follow the shape that we put right here. And they're almost moon-like, moon shapes. Then you can fill those in. All right, and then we need to get his other cheek. Okay, and then we should also get his top hair. So you're gonna draw this V shape in the middle between his eyebrows. And then right back here, you'll draw these zigzag lines, and there's gonna be 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Almost looks like human hair. And now let's draw his mouth. He's going to be smiling. And it's going to curve all the way up right here. All like that. Then we'll get his inside of his mouth. And maybe we should also get the outer edges of his mouth as well. Like the ones here. And we'll get his lower lip. Okay, now we'll draw his teeth right here. He's only going to show his upper teeth. And he's got 4 of them. 1, 2, 3, he actually has 5. Put 1 there. And then we'll draw his tongue, which will be these 2 curves. We've drawn tongues a bunch of times in these videos. Get the throat back here, and then you can darken everything else, and then shade this one a little light. All right, then we'll draw this kind of soft square for his ear. So like that. Then you can color everything else in. And then I'll just go over any lines that need to be darkened in. Maybe we'll just put some neck lines right here. Yeah, that'll do. And there you go. That is Timon from The Lion King. I hope this video helped you, and I hope you had fun. Please be sure to like, subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time. Bye.